Hey Internet, today's lesson is finite element analysis. So this is just a basic extrude with 1020 cold rolled steel. Go to the simulation tab, then go to new study, click static, click the tick, maybe rename it to FEA. So we don't have any connections, material's already been added. So right click fixtures, fix geometry, click this space, then pick this face, click the tick, we'll add a load, right click, click the force, we'll say 100. Oh, my bad. Meant to click this, then click the tick. Right click mesh, and then mesh and run. We'll just change this chart to newtons per millimeter squared. So this is an MPa, so -1, I think that is 100 kPa. So I already worked out the stress, which is 20 kPa. So that's where mechanical engineers or engineers in general get paid. It's not for the Solidworks, it's not for the anything computer-wise or software-wise. It's actually working out by hand and having a baseline and figuring out whether your component is suitable or not. So that's where you actually get your money from. It's the hand calculations. So based on 20 kPa, I would say it's roughly safe. You can see the red bits is where there's high stress concentrations. And given that it's fixed at that point, yeah, you would expect that to happen. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell. If you got any questions, comment below. Until next time, see ya.